Like, I just sit there, you know, and it's like, oh, look at these guys coming back with all their stuff.
Yeah.
He bubbled, 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 bubbled at the bottom, boys. Now for a fun part, the slide of doom. Yeah, so he literally just went down like this here, and then he just
Guardian down.
Wait, I respawned instantly. Thunder Crash AoE, and nothing happened. You ain't taking me alive, boy. You ain't taking me alive. You ain't taking. Oh, oh, I'm over here now. Oh, 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 oh. Oh! Ah! How did I not hurt him? I'm running. I'm running. They're chasing me. I'm running. I am running. Help me. Help me. Help me, God. Help me,
Why are
Jesus.
you running?
They're gay! Oh my God, I live. I live.
Blades.
Get out of here with those blades!